Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video we are going to see the next profit non-profit organization question. Okay, if you like the more video, if you want more videos, subscribe to House of Accounts. Go to House of Account playlist. There is a non-profit organization playlist, so where you can find the more videos about the non-profit organization questions. Here we are going to see the next question of non-profit organization. Okay, prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet from the following receipt and payment account and balance sheet for 2005. Okay, this is a opening balance sheet is given for 2004 December. We have to make for 2005 December balance sheet. So receipt and payment is completely given here, and balance sheet also given, so we don't have any additional information. So it's a simple question, but it's a tricky also. We have to find everything. Okay, with each entry we have to check out. First, let's start. Receipt and payment income and expenditure account of name is not given, so 31st December 2005 means as on 31st December 2005. Okay, we have to prepare balance sheet also as on 31st December 2005. Okay, here expenses. Okay, presently expenses how much? 4,000. Only current expense. In income and expenditure account, this is also known as profit and loss account. Profit we have for current year profit. If you want to know the exact profit, to just take only current year entries on. Don't take the last year next year entries. If there is added, then you can deduct. Expenses for 2005 how much? 4,000. So payment how much? Expense for 2005 4,000, interest 8,000. Okay, so right here expenses is 4,000. Okay, next, land is asset. Interest how much? 800. Interest expenses 800. Next, miscellaneous expenses 4,000. so right here 4,000 miscellaneous expenses means small. Balance means it's a cash, closing cash. Now to balance brought down means it's a opening cash. It's a now receipt side means income side. Entrance fees 1600. So there is nothing given here whether which fees. Okay, there is nothing given. We have to take this entry. For example, entrance fees how much? Okay, this is life, it's not in life membership. Okay, here first subscription 2005 how much? 4,200. so right here subscription. So we have to even think whether it is let's do one thing. Let's draw detail column also. So subscription always have something adjustment. So right now I'm writing inside 4,200. Okay, next, okay, entrance fees is not mentioned here anything. So locker rent how much? So entrance fees nothing I'm taking. Okay, let's do one thing. There is no life membership fees, there is only entrance fees, so take here entrance fees. Lecturer fees, is there any lecturer fees? Entrance fees is there but not lecture fees. Okay, it's entrance fees. Okay, by default I have written that one. Entrance fees, how much entrance fees is overall? 1600, 1600 it was, because it is not a life membership fee is there. If any life membership is given here, then we will think about it, but entrance fees is income. Locker rent 1500 income. Miscellaneous income 8,000. Locker rent how much? 1500. Let's see whether it has anything on locker rent or not. Let's do one thing, let's arrange this first. Okay, because it won't match with the lines. Okay, now it's matching. Miscellaneous income, entrance fees here. Okay, locker rent how much? See, locker rent 1500, 1500 locker rent. Okay, and miscellaneous income directly right outer column 8000 because it won't have any adjustment. Okay, now let's come to the balance sheet. There is a building 60,000. Building is asset, don't take. Outstanding subscription 760 is here, but how much? We have only received 400, means 360 is still pending, we have to receive. Okay, so let it be. This will come into the closing balance sheet. After that, outstanding locker rent 480 is given here. Here only locker rent overall 1500 is given, means these 1500 locker rent last year 480 of pending locker rent will also received. So deduct these 480 amount from 1500, because in this income and expenditure account we have to take only current year entries. So deduct this one minus last year. Last year how much? Right, last year outstanding, it's 480, so write in bracket. Next, cash is also there, 20,000. It's opening cash. Okay, but we don't need because there is opening balance sheet already given. Capital fund how much? 37,240. Okay, subscription received in advance, means 1200 subscription it is received in advance. So when it is received? Last year. Why it is received last year? Because it is belongs to current year only, so this entry will come in current year. So add here plus subscription receive in advance. How much receive? It's 1200. Okay, so this year subscription it is received earlier, like last year. So what we have to do is we have to say this year subscription is belongs to current year, that's why we have to add here. Now outstanding expenses 2800, last year expenses, these expenses we have to pay, but how much we have paid? Only 1400 we have paid. So this is closing. Okay, this is income and expenditure account. Okay, so what we have to do is there is a expenses which is belongs to 2800, this is for last year, but how much we have paid? 2400 we have paid, we still have to pay 400, is a pending. So this entry will come in balance sheet, not in income and expenditure account. Loan also come in balance sheet. So all entries we have checked. So now let's calculate which is the best one. Okay, highest amount. So this one 5400 overall. Okay, so this one after deduction how much? 1020 will be the here. So here see, income is extra more than expenses, because here expenses 8000 change, income is larger than expenses. So write 5400 add all 1020 plus 8000 plus 1600, overall 16020. So right here 16020. Deduct, then we will get surplus. Deduct expenses minus 800 minus overall 8000. So 7220 is the surplus. So right here 7220. Okay, this we have to transfer to balance sheet. Closing balance sheet, here everything, every entry we have to check here for closing balance sheet. First take from opening balance sheet. Building how much? 60,000. What we have to do is we have to also add a column, detail column. Okay, building how much? 60,000. Is there any depreciation on building? There is no depreciation, so directly write outer column. Okay, last year subscription 760 we have to receive, but how much we have received? 400. So still 360 we have to receive. So what we have to do? We have to like outstanding subscription of 2004 old amount. So right here 360 old amount we have to receive. Now outstanding locker rent 480 we have to receive, and we received here locker rent in locker rent. Okay, let it be. There is opening cash here. Okay, but we have to write the closing cash 16,800. That will be in here. Okay, so let it be this one. Okay, capital fund 67,240. So write capital fund 67,240. Okay, after that subscription received in advance, we have received subscription, so we already add here, no problem, 1200. Okay, let it be. Next, outstanding expense, last year expenses, there is a 2800 we have to pay pending expenses, but we have paid 2400 only, so 400 still we have to pay. So what we have to do? Outstanding expenses right here 2004 pending expenses. How much? It's a 400. Now outstanding expenses over loan, how much? 10,000. Okay, there is nothing in loan, so directly right here 10,000. Okay, balance sheet, opening balance sheet over. Now let's go to the receipt and payment. First go to the receipt side. 2004 it belongs to okay, opening balance is it's already came here. Let it be. This too belongs to 2004. Okay, let it be. 2005 we have received definitely, but 2006 subscription we have received advance here. So right here subscription received in advance, it belongs to 2006. How much? 300. Okay, next, entrance fees we have already taken, locker rent also taken, miscellaneous income also taken. Okay, let's go to the payment side. The expenses we have taken, 2005 expenses also taken. Land is how much? 8,000. So right, we have purchased land, that is value is 8,000. Next, interest we have taken, miscellaneous income expense also we have taken. The final entry is balance brought carried down, means cash balance 16,800. Receive and payment also known as cash balance. So right here 16,800. So now come to the income and expenditure account. There is answer plus surplus, means profit 7220. So add surplus 7220, 7,220. So all the entries are over, so directly go outside. Now calculate everything. The 7,220 plus 67,240. Overall how much overall? So 74,460, right? 74,460. Okay, okay, this here it will come to here. Okay, now let's add all the liability side. Plus 400 plus 10,000 plus 300, 85,160. How much we are getting? 85,160. Check whether it is correct or not. 85,160 is correct. Now asset side, right? 60,000, add 16,800, 8,000 plus 360, 85,160. We got 85,160. So the balance sheet is tallied. This is how we have to calculate closing balance sheet and income and expenditure account. If there is nothing extra information is given, so we have to match both receipt and payment and balance sheet. How much income is extra, how much is less. So we have to compare both receipt and payment and balance sheet. So with that we have to prepare income and expenditure account, and with that we have to prepare closing balance sheet. Okay, so there is more video on house of accounts playlist.